first step is to pressure cook the meat. I have about 250 grams of minced meat, that is mutton, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon salt. I'm adding 1 cup of water. Just adding a little more. It should be enough to cook the meat. Cook for about 4 to 5 whistles. So take a white saucepan, a deep one, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, I'm just going to add a few fennel seeds, cloves of garlic chopped, ginger, 1 piece chopped fine, 1 green chili chopped, 1 large onion finely chopped. Add a few curry leaves. Potato that's boiled, I've just cut it up roughly. I'm going to add this. The meat is cooked beautifully, you can see, well cooked. I'm going to just transfer this meat to the saucepan. You need to cook till all the water evaporates and you get a nice dry mixture. You can check for seasoning at this point. If you need to add any salt or if you'd like a little spice, you can add a little chili powder to this. Add some chopped coriander leaves and mix it in. So now you can see there's no excess moisture, no water left. Everything is completely evaporated. It's nice and dry. Cool the mixture completely and then we'll start making cutlets. Now I'm just going to mix the cooked mince along with the potatoes so you won't have big lumps. And you need to cook the potatoes well, they have to be nice and soft. So if you feel it's a little wet, a little more moisture, you can add a teaspoon or 2 of breadcrumbs to get the right consistency. So make even size patties. Don't make them too thick or too thin. This is the right size, you can see. I'm just going to dip it in the egg wash and gently roll it onto the breadcrumbs. Make sure you cover it on all sides with breadcrumbs and keep it on a separate plate. I'm going to refrigerate this for about 10 minutes and then we will be shallow frying the patties. So after refrigerating for about 10 minutes, you can see the breadcrumbs. So when you shallow fry it, they won't fall off. So I'm just going to gently press them. Just make sure it's all even. Place the cutlets into the pan. Gently turn them over. So once the cutlets are done on both sides, remove them from the oil. Place it in a plate with some tissue on it.